Second class requirement number 2, part D.
Prepare tinder, kindling, and fuel for a cooking fire. Use the tools listed in requirement 2C.
That's the knife, axe, and saw.
In order to build a good cooking fire, you'll need to gather 3 kinds of material: tinder, kindling, and fuel wood. Tinder is the small stuff that starts easily and burns quickly. It includes things like dry pine needles, grasses, shredded bark, and fluff from seed pods. You can also cut shavings from a dead piece of wood to make tinder. Just remember to cut away from your body. To start a fire, gather enough tinder to fill your cap once. Kindling, the next material you'll need, is made up of dead twigs and sticks, no thicker than a pencil. You should gather twice as much kindling as tinder, enough to fill your cap twice. The third material can be dead wood, from pencil thick to as thick as your wrist. When gathering fuel wood, it's best to pick up sticks that can be broken easily by hand. Gather over a wide area, instead of just clearing one spot. And when you're using an axe or camp saw, be sure to use safe techniques.
Fuzz sticks, made with the wood shavings left attached, are good for getting a fire started. Just add a few to the stack.
Once you have all your materials ready, it's time to lay the fire. That means arranging the tinder, kindling, and fuel wood in such a way that the flame from a single match can be used to start the fire burning. A teepee fire lay is a good method for this. To begin, put a loose handful of tinder in the middle of the fire site. Next, mound up plenty of small kindling over the tinder. Then, stack small to medium-sized fuel wood sticks around the kindling, like poles on a teepee. Leave an opening on the side the wind blows against so the air can get to the middle of the fire. Now you'll be ready when it's time to start your cooking fire. That's second class requirement 2D.
Prepare tinder, kindling, and fuel wood for a cooking fire.
And always think about safety
When you're using your pocket knife, axe, and camp saw.